Welcome to Making All Votes Matter. This video discusses voting disparities. They're a major problem with the election results. When we vote for a president, we get two voting results. One is when we count all of the popular votes, and the second result is for electoral votes. Let's start with the popular vote results. Here's a graph showing candidate A got more votes than candidate B. Now it's natural to think that the Electoral College results would be similar. Both of these graph bars are the same height, for example. But let's look at a couple of real-life examples to see what actually happens. Here are the popular voting results of 1964. Johnson got 60% of the votes, Goldwater got 40%. That's a 20% difference between these two candidates. Now we might assume that the Electoral College results were similar, but they weren't. Johnson got 90% of the electoral votes, Goldwater only got 10%. That's an 80% difference. The disparity is the difference between these two election results. We simply subtract the percentage differences to get the amount of disparity. This election had a 60% disparity between these two results. Let's look at another year. Here's the 1984 election. Reagan got 59% of the popular vote. Mondale got 41%. That's a difference of 18%. Again, you might expect the Electoral College results to be similar, but they weren't. Reagan got 98% of the electoral votes. Mondale only got 2%. That's a difference of 96%. This time, there was a 78% voting disparity between these two election results that year. The disparities have varied a lot over the last 15 elections. Here's a graph showing the years along the bottom. It starts with 1960 on the left and ends with 2016 on the right. The average disparity over these 15 elections is 31.5%. And you see only 3 elections were within the 10% range. Let's look at that first graph again. This time though, let's look at what happens for one state. Can we expect the two results to be similar, or will they be like what we just saw? Candidate A receives all of the electoral votes. This is called winner-take-all. It means the winner gets all of the electoral votes. Candidate B gets none. Losers get no voting representation in the Electoral College. It starts after the state ballots are counted. Ballots are sorted to see which candidate won the most in the state. Ballots cast for a losing candidate are set aside. And the winner-take-all approach is a form of voting favoritism that excludes all other candidates. The winner's popular votes are converted into electoral votes. It takes tens of thousands of popular votes to make one electoral vote. It's important to realize that the winner-takes-all approach is not part of the Electoral College. The Electoral College has nothing to do with this kind of favoritism. Please tell others about these videos. Check out the website at www.equalvoicevoting.com. Let's make all votes matter. Thank you.